thought I'd quickly do a guide on how to use the fucking the new thing I just made, the Spec checker. For those who don't know, I'll show you the easy and the hard way quickly. I'll download that quickly. Go here, extract that to that. That's all I'm following. Spec checker main. So this, let me go back here. You can see, let's first do the easy way. You want to install just that, then you'd want start, then obviously just check specs. That works. And the harder way would be doing this. You do the same thing, just open up CMD. You would copy that command there, paste that in there. You'd go like that. You'd run the script, you'd do the same thing. There you go, bang bang bosh, pretty simple for you. I just thought to do it so people understood it, because some people might not. It's pretty simple, it's a nice little UI I made. So yeah, that's it for you guys. Enjoy. Anyway, see ya.